Your email is now verified. Next step is to verify your identity. Log in using the email and password that you have registered with. Click Login. This page will open and ask you to verify your ID. Prepare your ID documentation and have it ready. Click Verify. Choose one of 3 options to verify your ID: passport, driver's license, or ID card. Let us use the ID card option. Click on it. You now have 2 options: take a photo of your ID card or upload an existing photo. So let's take a photo on this case. Position your ID card on a flat surface and take a photo of it. If you're not satisfied with the photo, you can always retake it. Now let's go ahead and confirm. This photo cannot be allowed because a glare has been detected by the system. Before we solve this problem, let's take a look at the most common mistakes that are made when taking photographs. 1. The entire document is not visible in the photo. Make sure you include all 4 corners of the document. 2. Bad quality and unreadable text should be avoided. 3. Avoid glares. Check that the document and background are not reflecting light back into the camera. 4. The document image might be skewed. The ultimate position of the camera is right above the document. Other reasons why your document may be rejected might be: 1. Missing backside of the document. Documents such as driving license, residence cards, or national IDs require photos of both front and backside of the document, unless all the identifying information appears on only one side. 2. Documents that will be rejected during verification includes photos of a screen, black and white images, PDF, photocopies, and screenshots. Do not upload any of this. Now that we know what to do, let's take a photo of our ID again. 1. Place the document on a flat surface. 2. Position your camera above the document and make sure to capture a clear image. Click Confirm. Now follow the same instructions and take a photo of the backside of the document. Check to make sure that it is clear and confirm. You have completed the steps for verification and you will be redirected to a new page. Just in case you missed it, let's go through some of the tips for making a good quality photo. 1. Begin by choosing a well-lit place. 2. Position your back facing the window and face your camera away from direct light. 3. Lay your document on a flat surface. Make sure there are no other documents around it. Next, make sure that your camera flash is turned off. 5. Capture all 4 corners of your document. It's okay if there are margins around your document. 6. Take a shot. If you notice any glare, take a new shot of the document. 7. Now upload the document in full color. Now, watch our friend Irshad demonstrate this in real time. In case of any questions, don't hesitate to contact Transfer Galaxy support